Okay, students, class 11th mathematics, English medium, CBSE. Today we are starting a new chapter, that is trigonometry. Okay, in this chapter we will learn different topics, and today's topic is measurement of angles. Okay, and measurement of angles means to measure an angle. To measure an angle. And you know very well what does it mean by the angle. Okay, in class 9th, 10th, and I think in previous classes also you have learned more about the angles. Okay, and the definition of angle is just like the angle is the geometrical figure surrounded by two rays with same initial point. Okay, that is, if this is initial point and one ray is OA, one ray that is OA, and O is the initial point. This is initial ray. Okay, now if we rotate this ray in anti-clockwise direction or clockwise direction, in any of the direction. Okay, when we move this row, then this takes the position of OB. O is the initial point and B is the terminal point. Okay, in any row from where the row starts, the initial point, and at which the ray terminates, that is terminal point. So A is the terminal point, O is the initial point, and OA is the initial ray for any angle. Okay, so when we rotate the initial ray that is OA in anti-clockwise direction, then it takes the position OB. Now OB is the terminal ray. Okay, and the geometrical structure between initial ray and terminal ray with the same initial point. With the same initial point means this point should not be changed for both the ray. For both the ray, this point should be initial point. Then this structure is said to be the angle. Okay, so angle is clear to everybody. Okay, now the measurement of angle. Okay, in class 10th we have learned and we have studied that the angle of measurement is the degree. Means when we measure an angle, we put degree as unit. Okay, means degree is the unit of the angle. Okay, it is correct that degree is the unit of the angle, but in class 11th we will study or I can say two more units of the measurement of angles, or what I can say that there are three systems of measurement of angles. ठीक है? Okay, so first one is the English system of measurement of angles. Okay, and this one is the degree system. This one is the degree system that you are well versed, that you have learned a lot about the degree system, and this system is said to be the English system. Okay, we will study one by one. Firstly, I would like to tell you what are the three systems of measurement of an angle. The first one is this, and second one is the radian system of measurement of angles. Okay, and then third is the grade system of measurement of angles. Okay, we will study all three systems in today's class one by one. So let us take the degree system. Okay, so can anybody define the degree? What does it mean by the degree? What does mean by the degree? Everybody knows that 90 degree is equal to right angle, 180 degree is equal to straight angle, 360 minus theta is the reflex angle, 180 minus theta is the supplementary angle, 90 minus theta is the complementary angle. Everybody knows. But what does mean by degree? Let us define the term degree. What is the degree? Degree, if the angle at any point, or the whole rotation, we are talking about degree system. If the complete rotation of any row means when a row starts from OA, then terminate at OA. Okay, that is complete rotation of any row. If complete rotation of any row is divided in 360 equal parts, then one of the part is said to be the degree. 1 degree. One of the part is said to be the 1 degree. Degree is just defined like this. Means 1 by 3/60th part of the complete rotation, whole rotation of the initial ray is said to be the degree. Okay. So how to define the degree? Degree is the 1 by 3/60th part of the complete or whole rotation of the initial ray. Okay, so this is the degree. Okay, means the 3/60th part of the complete rotation of the row. Okay, now if we take 1/4 of the complete rotation, that is fourth part of the whole rotation, then this is said to be the right angle. So one right angle is equals to 1/4 of the complete rotation or whole rotation. Okay, so one right angle is equals to the 1/4 into 360 degree, that is equals to 90 degree. So one right angle is equal to 90 degree. We already know this, that one right angle equals to 90 degree. Now degree is again divided in 1 degree. 1 degree is again divided in 60 equal parts. And each part is said to be the minute. Okay, so 1 degree is divided in 60 equal part, that is 60 degree. 60 part, that is said to be the minutes. Okay, so 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. Don't we get confused? Okay, in degree system, whenever we are talking degree system, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, and each minute is divided in 60 equal parts, and each of the part is said to be the second. Okay, so 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, minute is denoted as and second is denoted like this. Okay, means 1 minute. This is read as 1 minute, and this is read as 1 second. Okay, so one right angle is equals to 90 degree, 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay, what I mean to say that when we convert an angle into degree system, we will go up to minute and then seconds. Okay, now when we change the angle in degree, we will go up to minutes and seconds by using these conversions. These conversion means one right angle equal to 90 degree, 1 degree equal to 60 minute, and 1 minute equal to 60 second. Okay, this is said to be the degree system. This is also said to be the English system. English system of measurement of angle or degree system. Okay, so this was first system of measurement of angles. Now the second, that is radian system. It is radian system. Second system of measurement of angle, that is radian system. Radian system. So what is radian? What is radian? Radian. This is also said to be the centesimal system. Centesimal system of measurement of angles. Measurement of angles. Okay, centesimal system of measurement of angles. This is said to be the radian system. Radian system. Now what is the radian? R-A-D-I-A-N. What is this radian? Okay, now we will discuss about the radian. Now let's circle one circle of radius 1 unit. Circle of radius 1 unit. Radius of this circle is 1 unit. Okay, now what is the 1 radian? I am defining the term radian. Okay, let radius is this r. Let us take the radius r. Now the angle subtended by r. Subtended by r at the center. Angle subtended by this arc at the center. Arc of length. Angle subtended by the arc of length equal to the radius of the circle at the center is said to be the 1 radius. Means when the arc of length, this arc is of length, this OA is equals to the radius. Means when arc AB is equals to the radius OA, then the angle subtended by this arc at the center is said to be the radian. Okay, this is the definition of the radian. Means angle subtended by the arc AB. Angle subtended by the arc AB at the center when arc AB is equals to OA. OA means equal to the radius. Equals to the radius. Okay, is said to be the radian. Now, how many total radians are there at one complete revolution, one complete rotation? That is, when we move this ray from this point to this, then total arc, that is 2 pi r, divided by the radius. So total radians in one complete rotation. That is equals to total circumference. Yani means circumference divided by the radius r. Means total complete rotation. Complete rotation means circumference. So circumference divided by r. 2 pi r divided by r, that is 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian. Okay. So total angle made in one complete rotation is equals to 2 pi radian in radian. Okay. Now what is the right angle? This right angle, one right angle is equals to 1/4 of the complete rotation. That is why one right angle is equals to 1/4 into 360 degree. That is equals to 90 degree. Okay. So one right angle equals to 360, 90. That is, we are converting this in this in radian, that is 2 pi radian. So this is pi by 2 radian. Okay, so one right angle equal to pi by 2 radian. One right angle, that is 90 degree, is equals to pi by 2 radian. Okay, so we can have different angles in radian also, like this. We are having that one complete rotation is equals to 2 pi radian. One complete rotation, that is 360 degree, is equals to 2 pi radian. This is degree and this is radian. Okay, now if we make half, that is 180 degree, then it is pi. Again making half, 90 degree, is equals to pi by 2. Again making half, 45 degree, is equals to pi by 4. Okay, so 360 degree equal to 2 pi, 150 degree equals to pi, 90 degree equals to pi by 2, and 45 equal to pi by 4. Now if we want to find 60 degree, then 60 degree equals to, divide this by 3, 3 6 are 80, 60 degree divided by this 3, that is pi by 3. So 60 degree equals to pi by 3. 30 degree, making half of this, 30 degree is equals to pi by half of this, pi by 6. Okay, so 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, this. Now 270 degree. 270 degree means 3 times of this. So 3 times of this means 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. Okay, and then 120 degree. 120 degree is the double of 60 degree. Double of 60 means double of this 2 pi by 3. So 120 degree equal to 2 pi by 3. In the same way, we can find other degree measurement into radian measurement. This is degree measurement and this is radian measurement. Okay. Now we will have the third type of measurement of angles. Okay, that is grade measurement. It is said to be the grade measurement. Grade measurement of angles. Grade measurement of the angle. Grade measurement. What is this grade measurement? What is this grade measurement? The grade measurement is, in grade measurement we divide complete rotation in 400 parts. Okay, complete rotation means this way OA, when makes complete rotation. This complete rotation is divided into 400 parts and each part is said to be the grade. So one complete rotation is equals to 400 grades. 400 grades. Okay. Now this is complete rotation and 1/4 of the rotation. 1/4 of the rotation, that is one right angle. One right angle equals to 1/4 of the complete rotation, that is 1/4 of the 400 grades. Grade is denoted as. So one right angle is equals to 100 grades. 100 grades. 100 grades. Okay. So one right angle equals to 100 grade. Now in this system, in grade system, grade is again divided in 100 equal parts and each part is said to be the minute. So one grade is equals to 100 minute. One grade is equals to 100 minute. Okay, and each minute is again divided in 100 equal part. Don't we get confused here? Each minute is again divided into 100 equal part and each part is said to be the seconds. Okay, so 1 minute is equals to 100 seconds. 100 seconds. Okay, I am repeating again, 1 minute is equals to 100 seconds in grade system only. In grade system of measurement of angles. Okay, So 1 minute equals to 100 seconds. So this is the grade measurement of angles. Okay, now we will discuss the relation between angles. So now we will discuss relation between the different measurement of the angles, that is degree measurement, radian measurement and grade measurement. What is the relation between these three? Okay, now let us have a look at here. We know that one right angle is equals to 90 degree. It means 1 degree is equals to 1 upon 90 right angle. Okay, so d degree is equals to d upon 90 radian, d upon 90 right angle. Okay, means 1 right angle equal to 90 degrees. So 1 degree is equals to 1 upon 90 right angle, and 1 degree is equals to 1 upon 90 right angle. So d degree is equal to d upon 90 right angle. Now we know that 360 degree or 1 right angle is equals to pi by 2 radian. Okay, so 1 radian is equals to 2 upon pi right angle. 2 upon pi right angle. So 1 r radian equals to 2r upon pi right angle. Okay, this is second measurement of angles. Now third is grade. We know that 1 right angle is equals to 100 grade implies that 1 grade is equals to 1 upon 100 right angle. Okay, so G grade is equals to G upon 100 right angle. Okay, so we have converted each unit means degree in angle. So theta is equal to d upon 90 and theta is equals to 2r upon pi. Same angle, same theta equal to 90 upon degree. At angle this and theta is equals to g upon 100. Means same angle is converted in all three measurement of angles. Okay, means theta is equal to d upon 90, theta is equal to 2r upon pi and theta is equal to g upon 100. So same angle, so comparing all three means d upon 90 is equals to 2r upon pi is equals to g upon 100. So this is the relation between degree measurement, radian measurement and grade measurement. Using this relation we can convert degree into radian, degree into grade, radian into degree, radian into grade, grade into radian, grade into degree. Okay, so this is the relation. Okay, now we are taking an example. For the better understanding of this relation. Okay, now we are going to convert 1 radian into degree. 1 radian into degree means 1 radian is equal to how many degree? Convert 1 radian into degree. Conversion of 1 radian into degree. Okay, so 1 radian in degree means r is equal to given 1. R is given 1. Now the relation between radian and degree is degree upon 90 is equals to 2r upon pi. That is degree is equals to 180 upon pi into radian measurement. Okay, so we are going to convert r into d. So d is equals to 180 upon pi into r means 1. So 180 upon pi. d is equals to 180 upon pi. Okay, now pi is equals to, we know pi equal to 22 by 7, so 180 upon 22 upon 7. So this can also be write down as 180 multiplied by 7 divided by 22. Okay, so degree is equals to 7 8 ja 56 1260 upon 22. Okay, means 7 8 ja 56 7 1 ja 1260 upon 22. Now we have to divide 1260 by 22. So 1260 divided by 22 5 times 110, then 16. Now 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10 11 50. Let us take 6 to the 12, 6 to the 12 1, 6 to the 12 1 32. So this is 28. Let us take 7, sorry 7. So 7 to the 41, 7 to the 154, so 6. So 57 degree complete, and then 6 is the remainder, 6 upon 22 degree. Okay, 57 degree is the complete, and then 6 by 22 degree. Okay, this is in decimal. Now we have to convert this decimal into minute. When I was telling you about the degree measurement, I was also telling that we will go up to minute and minute to second when we will change angle in degree measurement. Okay, so now we will go up to minute, and 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. I have told you that 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. So 57 degree and 6 by 22 into 60 minutes. This is minute. The symbol of the minute is this. So now this is 360 upon 22. 360 upon 22. Divide this. So 22 1 ja 22. Divide this 360 by 22. 22, that is 40. 7 ja 6 ja 132, then 8. Okay, so 57 degree, and this is 16 minutes. 16 complete minutes, and then 8 by 22 minutes. 8 by 22 minutes. Okay, 57 degree. After changing this is 16 minutes, complete 16 minutes, and then 8 by 22 minutes. Now we will convert this decimal minute into seconds. So this is equals to 57 degree, 16 minutes, and 8 by 22 into 60 seconds. Okay, now we will again divide 8 into 60 by 22. Divide 8 into 60, 480 by 22. 22 ja 44, so 40. So it is approximately. Now we can take approximately. So 22 ja 44, so this is approximately. So this is equals to 57 degree, 16 minutes, and 22 seconds approximately. The answer is in approximately. Okay, so in this way we can change 1 radian into degree. Okay, similarly you can change 1 degree into radian also. So 1 degree is 1 radian is equals to 57 degree, 16 minutes, and 22 seconds. Okay, now we will convert degree into radian. 1 degree into radian. Okay, so now convert 1 degree into radian. Now we will convert 1 degree into radian. Okay, and the same formula of conversion of the measurement will be used, that is d d upon 90 is equals to 2r upon pi. Okay, so r is equals to pi upon 180 into d. Okay, r is equals to pi upon 180 into d. Now degree is equals to 1, so pi upon 180 into 1, that is pi upon 180, and pi is equals to 22 by 7 into 180. Pi is equals to 22 upon 7 into 180. Now multiply 7 into 180. 1260. 7 8 ja 56. 7 1 ja 7 5. 1260. So 22 will divide 1260. That is 11 will divide 2 6 ja 2 3 ja 630. 11 by 11 will divide 2 630. Sorry. Now let us divide 11 by 630. So no division at all. So 0 point. Let us put 0 point means 10. Then again 110 is not divisible by 630. So let us put 0. So this is 1100. So 1100 and 1 time this is 630. Okay, 470. 470 now 470 double 0 will divide by 630. 7 times. 7 1 ja 7 3 ja 21 2 4 4 1 0. So 0 9 290. Okay, 2900. 2900 again 2900 will divide 6 3 ja 6 4 ja 4 times. So 0 4 3 ja 12 1 2 5 double 0. 2520. So 80 380. 380 again 3800. So then again divide it by 6 times. 6 3780. 3780 means 20. Means 20. So this is approximately 0. So the division is 0.01746 degree. Sorry, radian. Okay, so 1 degree is equals to 0.01746 radian. Okay, so we have convert 1 radian in degree. 1 radian equal to 57 degree 16 minutes 22 seconds, and 1 degree is equals to 0.01746 radian. Okay, in this way we can convert degree into radian and radian into degree. Okay, so this was the measurement of the angle in 3 system. 3 system means in degree system, in radian system, and in grade system. Okay, now when we